So why is this so important? Let's break it down. Firstly, optimized product titles significantly improve search engine optimization, SEO. When your titles contain relevant keywords that your potential customers are actually searching for, your products have a higher chance of appearing in search results on platforms like Google and even within Shopify itself. This increased visibility can lead to more organic traffic and, consequently, more sales without you having to spend extra on advertising. Secondly, well-crafted titles enhance the customer experience. Clear and concise titles help shoppers quickly understand what the product is and whether it meets their needs. Imagine a potential buyer searching for a comfortable yoga mat. If your title is simply yoga mat, it might get lost in a sea of options. But a title like extra thick non-slip yoga mat for ultimate comfort and stability immediately communicates key benefits and caters directly to the user's search intent. This clarity reduces confusion, builds trust, and encourages clicks. Thirdly, editing your product titles allows you to inject your brand personality. The default titles often sound generic and impersonal. By rewriting them in your brand's tone of voice, you create a more cohesive and engaging shopping experience. This helps build brand recognition and fosters a stronger connection with your audience. Finally, compelling titles can directly impact your click-through rates, CTR. A more enticing title is more likely to grab attention and encourage users to click on your product listing. Even a small increase in CTR can lead to a significant boost in traffic to your product pages, increasing your chances of making a sale. Now that we understand why it's so important, let's dive into how you can actually edit those product titles in Oberlo. It's a straightforward process, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be optimizing your listings like a pro. There are two main ways to edit product titles in Oberlo: individually or in bulk. Let's start with the individual method, which is perfect for fine-tuning specific product listings. Editing product titles individually. Access your Oberlo dashboard. First things first, log into your Oberlo account. You'll be greeted by your dashboard, which provides an overview of your connected Shopify store and imported products. Navigate to your products. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a menu. Click on Products. This will take you to a page displaying all the products you've imported into your Oberlo store. Select the product you want to edit. Browse through your product list and find the specific item whose title you want to modify. Once you've located it, click on the product name or the edit button associated with that listing. This will open a detailed page for that particular product. Locate the title field. On the product details page, you'll find various sections, including title, description, variants, and images. Look for the title field. This is where the current product title is displayed. Edit the title. Carefully delete the existing title and type in your new, optimized title. Remember to keep it concise, informative, and include relevant keywords. Focus on the key benefits and features that will resonate with your target audience. Save your changes. Once you're happy with your new title, make sure to click the Save Product button, usually located at the bottom or top of the page. This will update the product title within your Oberlo account. Sync with Shopify, if necessary in most cases. Oberlo will automatically sync these changes with your connected Shopify store. However, it's always a good idea to double-check your Shopify admin to ensure the new title is reflected there. You might need to manually sync if you've adjusted your Shopify settings. Editing product titles in bulk. If you have a large number of products with similar title issues, editing them individually can be time-consuming. Thankfully, Oberlo offers a bulk editing feature that can save you a significant amount of effort. Access your Oberlo dashboard and navigate to products. Just like before, log into your Oberlo account and click on Products in the sidebar. Select the products for bulk editing. On the Products page, you'll see checkboxes next to each product listing. Select the checkboxes for all the products you want to edit in bulk. Choose the Edit Selected option. Once you've selected the desired products, a Bulk Actions drop-down menu will appear, usually at the top of the product list. Click on this drop-down and select Edit Selected. Select Edit Title. A pop-up window will appear with various bulk editing options. Choose Edit Title. Define your bulk title changes. This is where you can set rules for how you want to modify the titles of the selected products. You might have options like add prefix, add the same text to the beginning of all selected titles, add suffix, add the same text to the end of all selected titles, replace text, find specific text within the titles and replace it with new text. This can be useful for removing generic supplier names or unwanted keywords. Apply your changes. Once you've defined your bulk editing rules, click the Apply or Save button. Oberlo will then apply these changes to all the selected product titles. Review and sync. After the bulk edit is complete, it's crucial to review the updated titles to ensure they are accurate and effective. Then, check your Shopify store to confirm that the changes have been synced correctly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.